Meaning of demonstrator.
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 Demonstrator. A demonstrator is a person who publicly shows support for or against a particular cause, often by participating in protests or rallies. They may hold signs, chant slogans, or engage in other forms of activism to draw attention to their message. The goal of demonstrators is usually to effect change in society, such as advocating for policy reform or raising awareness about an issue. While some demonstrations can be peaceful, others may escalate into violence, leading to clashes with law enforcement or counter-protesters. Overall, demonstrators play an important role in democracy by exercising their right to free speech and assembly.